made it
to a hotel in
Singapore.
Singapore.
Did you guys see it previously? Kind of hit it at some stuff.
A little bit.
We were in Korea before. See that one? Go check it out. It's actually afternoon now. Doesn't work. My watch is destroyed. Not destroyed.
I was wondering what he was gonna
no
do
battery.
with that.
I forgot it.
Yeah,
no
our
battery.
watches are dead.
Anyways, we just got in a hotel room. Arrived this morning. We did happen to eat some stuff.
Yeah, we were hungry while we were waiting for our room, so we decided to go eat.
And eat we did. So let's go see how that did.
Out.
That way.
So we are at Tai Fung to eat, and it's our first meal in Singapore because we're hungry, and I actually wanted to try Tai Fung here in Singapore and see how it pairs up to like LA. So we'll see how it goes. I'm really hungry.
Why are you wearing the same thing as yesterday?
Oh, because we did an overnight flight, so we were wearing what we wore yesterday.
We pretty much came out of straight from the airport to
our hotel, which isn't ready yet, so we weren't able to change or anything. Thank you, Mitchell. So we got some spicy wontons, spicy noodles, and sauteed spinach with garlic. Hungry!
These are the famous soup dumplings of that Din Tai Fung is actually the only reason we come. So in these little pouches of goodness, there's soup and mystery meat because I forgot which one this was. But we got, which one?
Crab.
So there's crab. This has crab and pork. So if we pierce it, which a lot of people like to do, you'll see that soup is actually coming out of it. And this soup is super flavorful. And I think this is a good starting point of Singapore because Singapore street food is going to be actually a lot better.
This is already really good.
Cheers. Super crabby. Woo. A little spicy. Super good. Dig it?
So this is their spicy pork wonton, and the spicy sauce is bomb. Like, it's really good. Sometimes we dip these guys in that sauce because it's that good. But I love these wontons. I love how it has like the extra little bits hanging off of it because it's amazing. Bomb. You want to explain this, sir?
So I asked this gentleman for extra ginger, and usually it comes in a plate like this, and it usually looks like this, like that, or like long strands. Melissa just asked the same guy for more ginger, and he gave us a whole bowl. He's like, I'm not dealing with these guys eating all our ginger. Have it all.
You're the one that keeps eating all of it.
I don't want to be asked anymore.
That's your fault. Now we have this huge bowl.
I'm probably gonna eat all of it.
Probably.
It's so good here. I usually don't get ginger. I usually don't like ginger, but at this place, when it's mixed with the oil and the chili stuff, and you put it with the dumplings and the spinach, so good. Bomb. Alright, so we're actually getting ready to go to the room. We got the email. The room is ready.
Room is ready.
Let's go.
Bye.
Actually, I think
Yeah, I forgot something.
let's go back to them.
excited. Dessert.
We actually found this bread talk place that has desserts, so we actually made a stop there and got the goods.
We'll go eat.
And we're back. And here's all our goodies.
Strawberry donut, traffic light fruit croissant tart, durian tart. This one should be interesting.
I can't wait.
We'll
And
see.
if you didn't know where we were staying at, it's actually the Marina Bay Sands, Singapore.
Singapore.
And it looks like that. Just like that.
Yep.
Yep. And our view is like this.
Our view is beautiful. Give them a quick tour.
Quick tour.
Quick tour.
Wait, hold on. Let's do this a la Cribs. 3, 2, 1. And there's kind of more views. And you can see over there, we're gonna be visiting that place soon. But let's check out the room.
Welcome to my crib.
Your crib.
My crib.
Your crib.
Just mine.
Just yours. That's rude.
So you place the key card here and it turns on all the lights. We were really surprised because when we put it in, all the curtains started moving and we were like, whoa! So yeah, all the lights controls are here. I probably just turned everything off. This is how you control these curtains. Ta-da! Ta-da! Bathroom. Barn doors. I love barn doors. They're really pretty. Bathtub. Shower. Just walk right in.
It's a walk-in shower. That's pretty cool.
Dual sink, his and hers. The poopers.
Hi, friend.
And then closets. More closet.
Dun, da, da, da.
Bedroom. King bed.
And a pupper.
Yeah, cute little pupper. What are we naming him?
Kiddo.
Oh, it's Kiddo. Oh, we've always wanted a puppy named Kiddo. So when we called it, we can be like, here, Kiddo. Large mirror. And then a beautiful view. I don't know how to make these curtains. Oh.
They opened at the beginning.
Yeah, I don't know how to open them anymore. But we can open this side. It's very warm and humid. And look at that view that we got. That's beautiful. And then we're about to eat our pastries in front of this beautiful view.
Yep. Of your food. If you want to see those pictures that she's taking right now, check out our IG. MK. Let's go.
What?
Ready? Done taking them IGs? Yeah. Okay, cool. Since we don't know what... We had a little taste of durian in a layover in Kuala Lumpur. And it was in the duty-free section. And it was a puff pillow. This is an actual quiche. Quiche?
It's a tart.
Tart.
So you know how there's like those Asian egg tarts or cheese tarts? That's a durian tart. So we'll see how this goes. I'm nervous.
Oh, wait.
Oh yeah, we bought a lot of these snacks on our layover because it looked.
We have these durian, Musang King durian biteso. It's a durian biscuit. Yeah. So let's try this as well with that.
Oh, we're trying that one first?
No, we're trying it
Oh,
with
one?
it. We're trying it with it.
Okay.
Okay.
Oh, okay, cool.
Okay, ready?
It's not like bad, but it's like very strong. Just half it.
Half it?
Yeah.
That's what it looks like. Just an unassuming biscuit.
It's pretty. The smell is pretty strong though.
We should open that window. Huh.
Just a little bit. Interesting.
Cheers to
Durian.
durian.
Very flaky. It's not so bad.
It doesn't taste like it smells,
No, it doesn't.
but
So, well, some say that durian smells a lot worse than it tastes.
the flakiness of the pastry really helps with the texture.
And it's gonna break apart.
Dang it.
We didn't get like a spoon or fork or anything.
Can you just like scoop it out? Ooh, there it is.
It kind of worked.
Ooh, it's super soft.
Yeah, there's some
It's too soft.
there.
It's too soft.
We messed that up a little bit because we didn't get a spoon.
The crust is literally like disintegrating.
There's like durian pieces there too, I think.
3, 2, 1.
Not too bad.
It started off tasting like a meat pie. That was interesting. The crust is good though. Not bad. Maybe if we eat one of these a day, we'll be like mentally prepared for durian.
I don't know. We'll see.
Next.
Fruit tart.
Fruit tart. Fruit croissant. Looks pretty.
It was called a traffic light croissant, I think.
I wonder why. Their traffic lights must be inverted because the green is on the bottom, the red is in the middle, and the yellow's on top.
That's true. I'm thinking.
Ooh.
I wasn't expecting that.
What'd you say?
I wasn't expecting that crunch. Why'd you bite off of that side?
Why not?
Such a weirdo.
You bit the yellow side, I bit the green side. What's wrong with that?
Weirdo. That's good.
Super good. They have these Hanuta minis. Hanuta minis. And there's a hazelnut next to it, so I'm assuming Hanuta is like a Nutella.
I mean, it tastes like Nutella. Nutella and chocolate.
Not bad. Ready for this guy?
Donut!
Donut. This is probably one of the softest donuts I've ever touched.
It's a strawberry donut.
It is so stinking soft.
I don't think it's the softest donut I've ever eaten though.
It feels the softest though.
When you touch it, it's really, really soft. But when you eat it, it's a little bit different. But I've had softer.
And I've had
One
more.
softer.
And I have had strawberry.
That's good.
That's not too sweet either. So we're actually gonna head to the gym in about one digestion later, however long that is. And
It should be too long. This wasn't too bad.
we'll take you with us. We haven't seen the gym. We're gonna head there and try to find it. So see you there.
Gotta get a calorie.
See you guys there.